Hello Acero families. This video is a quick tutorial on how to sign up for Parent Portal. Parent Portal is where you can monitor your students' grades and attendance. First, you'll need this letter from your school's main office, which contains your student's access ID and password. So let's jump right in. You'll need to go to aceroschools.powerschool.com and you'll need to click Create Account. Create account again, enter your information, your desired username, and a password that you can easily remember, but that it is strong enough so no one can access this account. Next, you'll need your student's name, which is found in the letter, so student test, and then their access ID. I'm gonna do a quick copy and paste. And then the access password. And this password needs to be typed in exactly as it's shown. And choose the relationship type for this student. I'm gonna say this student is my brother. I'm a good older brother that I want to check up on his grades and attendance. Click enter. Congratulations, your new PowerSchool account has been created. Check your email for a link to verify your account. So we'll need to wait a little bit. You should be receiving an email when you sign up from PowerSchool in about less than 5 minutes. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. Oh, it looks like I got my email. What I did there is I clicked the link to verify the email and it brought me to a new page. Here I will enter in the username that I created and the password that I created. Click sign in. And now you're all set. I can view my brother's information here, all the classes that he attends, the absences, the tardies. Here's the attendance, the grade that he's receiving in all his classes here for Q1, Q2, and so on. And you're all set. Thank you, and you have a great day or evening.